What does a printed circuit board do? Imagine a busy factory with machines humming and products moving. But when one machine stops, everything grinds to a halt. Many times the culprit is a tiny hero you rarely see, a printed circuit board. PCBs are the nervous system of electronics. They connect in power sensors, controllers, motors, and more, making sure everything works together. PCB designs can vary, but each one creates a foundation that allows machines and devices to complete complex tasks. The high-tech industry uses PCBs for applications like communication and processing, while the manufacturing industry uses PCBs in material handling systems, CNC controllers, and more. If a PCB fails, machines act up or stop altogether. Often, a quick repair can address the issue. Keep your equipment at its best. Request Global Electronic Services for PCB repairs.